Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So I've got an update for you for the game handle mode on the Nb4 Pro Plus. And yeah, the engineers at Flysky decided to make a bit of a change to how it works and then forgot to put it in the manual. So let's bring you in for a close-up look and show you how easy it is to get this thing working. And once I show you, I think a few of you will be like, well, that's why it worked sometimes and didn't others, and yeah. So let's bring you in for a close-up look and show you how easy it is to set this thing up. So as basic setup is our controller, any of the supported models, plugged into the actual base. So if we just power up, we see we get as power to as actual controller. But if we go across into game handle mode and try and enable it, we don't get anything. It don't work. The reason it don't work is to enable the controller, you have to double press on the power button, and as soon as you double tap the power button, it enables automatically, and then everything works. So you double tap it to put it into game controller mode. And I think it's because of the added functionality that they've put into that port, because there is some other unreleased stuff. But if you power it off and then you power it back on, as soon as you see power light on, double tap the power button and it'll automatically enable. Bit of a strange one, but once we've once we know that it works like that, you can reliably enable it. It'll work absolutely fine and it'll continue working. If you unplug it and plug it back in, because the mode's already enabled, it'll auto pick it up. The only time you have to double press it to turn it back on is if you power off the base. When you power the base back on for the first time, double tap and it enables your game handle mode. The rest of the settings you can go through and assign the sticks or whatever you want to however you want to use it. If any of you guys would like, I'll do a guide on how to set it up and how to configure it, but I've already done one for the standard Pro, and it's exactly the same on this one. But at least we know how to reliably get this enabled and make it work now. So let's wrap this one up. So there you have it, really nice and easy once you know. Shame we didn't get that in the instruction manual, but yeah, bless them engineers. But yeah, it's just a double tap on the base battery once it's already powered up, and then it'll automatically enable the game handle mode for you. So yeah, really straightforward once you know how to do it, but could have done without any instructions. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. Hopefully you find this amusing, entertaining or useful, or just like listening to my incessant ramblings. But catch you guys again in the next one.